Welcome to Unit 2.4, Reading Error Messages and Debugging with AI. This video will unlock the secrets of error messages and guide you on how to debug code using AI, transforming mistakes into clues for AI to assist programmers. New programmers often panic when encountering errors, thinking their code is broken. Experienced programmers, however, see errors as clues, using the information to pinpoint where to fix the code quickly. The key is knowing how to read the error. To understand errors, read the traceback from the bottom up. The last line usually tells you what went wrong. For example, a type error. The lines above show where the error occurred, such as, quote, line 4 feet in a file. Here are some common error types. A syntax error is a grammatical mistake in the code. A name error means a variable or function is called but not defined. A type error occurs when incompatible data types are used. A value error happens when the correct type is used, but the value is inappropriate. More severe errors include zero division error, a mathematical impossibility. Logic errors are tricky because they don't trigger red warnings. The code runs but produces an incorrect result. AI is essential for finding these subtle logical mistakes. The secret formula for effective debugging with AI involves 3 parts: the problematic code, the error message or traceback. This is crucial for accurate analysis. And the goal or desired outcome. Combining these yields professional-level, accurate analysis from the AI. Use AI as a tutor and eraser. Ask the AI to explain why the error occurred and how to fix it, promoting understanding. Avoid using AI as a homework contractor, meaning don't just copy the fixed code without grasping the underlying issue. Runtime errors are also relevant in hardware. When using MicroPython with an ESP32, sensors might send invalid or corrupted data while the program is running. Without error handling, the ESP32 board will freeze and stop working immediately. Without error handling like try except, a type error can cause the entire program or board to crash. With the safety net or try except, the program can attempt risky operations and catch the error, allowing it to continue running without crashing. Let's fact check. Forgetting a colon in an if statement is a syntax error true. If there's no red error, the code is 100% correct. False. Watch out for logic errors. Is it enough to give AI only the problematic code? False. You must include the error message or traceback. Your AI detective missions include: Mission 1, the test of suffering. Run code that causes an error and ask AI what happened. Mission 2, setting a trap. Intentionally write a syntax error and test if the AI can fix it. Mission 3, role reversal. Ask the AI to write faulty code and play the detective. Great programmers aren't those who never make mistakes, but those who can recover quickly using the right tools. This cycle involves coding and running, reading the traceback, pair programming with AI, and refactoring with try except to prevent crashes.